Thank you for being with me. I'm called Ifo Sakhshmuhile, and I'm a student in Kepler College in Section B, a project management in Book 2 of Business Mathematics. And we've been given a task to talk about descriptive and inferential statistics. I'm going to walk through your product. What is their primary goal? What is their scope? What is the tools used? And some sampling involved assumptions, even conclusions on that. I'm going to walk you through that, and you're going to be with me in this session of 7, approximately 7 minutes or 8. Okay. First of all, you might wonder what is the primary goal of statistical analysis. I will start with descriptive statistics. These descriptive statistics, their main goal is to summarize, organize, or describe main features of data. To me, that they help us understand what the data looks like, showing patterns, averages, and variations. To explain a little bit about that, to me that in this descriptive statistics, we have data, we collect the data, and after this data, we analyze the data. We don't go beyond or below the data. Just to analyze the data, we know all about the data, we take samples, we take everything about the data. And that is what we call descriptive statistics. We have an example of doing a survey in Kepler. If you do a survey of 100 students in Kepler, and you say that 100 students agreed on funding of KFC, to me that when you go to the descriptive statistics, we based on this 100 students, you won't go beyond or below. Just you will based on this only 100 students. That's what you will deal with. About the inferential statistics, their goal is to make predictions, generalization, or decision about larger populations based on sample. To me that I will give you the same example of making a survey of 100 students in Kepler about KFC. You will say that I have done in a survey and 100 students, among 100 students, 70 or 80% agreed that this could be ideal to do that. And we say that generally, Kepler students assume that it's ideal. To mean that you take data and then you generalize to the whole content. And you say that, like, according to what I've seen, this could be true, or this could be wrong, or this could be a false, or this could be a true, or to be done. And I'll walk you through the scope. To me, that through the scope, descriptive statistics only focuses on the data and doesn't go beyond or far from the data. While these inferential statistics goes beyond. Just you take the data as the sample and then you generalize, or you take it to make assumptions or to make a generalization, as I can say. In critical thinking, we will call it inferior generalization. I will go through this third step, like a question. It asks the tools or techniques used for this statistics. About inferential, we've got measures of a central tendency, where we've got to calculate the mean, the median, and the mode. And this is understandable. About these measures of a central tendency, we calculate the mean, as you know, the mean. We've got the formulas of that, the median and the mode. And we've got the measures of variability. We've got to calculate the range, standard deviations, and the variances. People who did statistics in secondary, they get that better. Like about the range, to me that this data is between this data and this data is between 100 and 200. Like that's the range. The standard deviation, to me that we've got the formulas where standard deviation equals d1 minus d2. I cannot not like take you through the formulas right now, but we will even go for that in the upcoming sessions. And we've got the third one, and the final one called data visualization, where we've got the tables, bar charts, histograms, and box plots. To make this data visualization, here is when we have these bar charts, these plot charts, where we got to take this data and present it visually or through this understandable